Hi, I am SIVAKUMAR Venkataramanan from Botswana. This video is the first part of the assessment for CompTIA A+. This video explains the major components inside a computer and its functions. The major components in a computer are the motherboard, CPU, central processing unit, RAM, random access memory, graphic card, power supply, hard disk or hard drive, optical drive. So the first one, motherboard. Okay. The motherboard is the heart of the computer where all the components are linked in some way through wires. In most of the motherboards, the memory access and the CPU are installed directly in the motherboard. Okay. The other components like power supply, hard disk, optical drive, communicate through the motherboard through the wired connections. So the motherboard has other components like north bridge, south bridge, BIOS, memory, PCI and AGP. AGP is nothing but advanced graphical port. The next component is CPU. So normally this CPU we will call as the brain of the computer, where it directs and communicates with all components based on the instructions. CPU is referred as the processor or chip. It is found under the heat sinking fan, which helps to keep the CPU cool and prevents from overheating. The next, RAM. The RAM is nothing but random access memory. It is found directly under the motherboard or in the motherboard. Okay. Usually it has 1, 2 or 4 slots. Random access memory RAM has a memory chip which stores the information temporarily. RAM stores the file by using the CPU is going to be accessed. A computer RAM is totally different from the hard disk. Okay. The next one is power supply. The power supply supplies the power to other components like motherboard, hard disk, optical drive and etc. So normally the motherboard is fixed in the top of the computer case. Okay. And it has inbuilt fan, okay, which helps to keep the computer cool. The next one is computer hard disk. Okay, hard disk is also called as hard drive. It stores the data or information permanently, where we can access through the motherboard by using the SATA cable. Okay, the last one is optical drive. This is also known as CD drive or DVD drive. It sits in the front of the computer. It helps to read the information from the disk or DVD disk. So from this video we saw the major components of a computer like motherboard, a CPU, RAM, graphical card, power supply, hard drives and optical drive. Thank you.